Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Gain Laundry Detergent Liquid Soap. Gain excelled a number of other detergents on a variety of stains, including chocolate and liquid foundation, as well as red wine. It also helped to lighten grass stains and tomato sauce. While it didn't have the stain-fighting power of a specialized stain remover, it did manage some of the stains impressively well. The texture of Gain washed materials was also wonderful. All of the garments felt clean, lightweight, and freshly laundered. With 50% more perfume than standard Gain powder detergent, you can now enjoy the heavenly scent of Gain liquid laundry detergent for up to 6 weeks after washing. Obtain laundry detergent liquid soap plus aroma boost outcomes. The scent is incredible, and the stain removal strength is competitive. Gain original liquid laundry detergent infuses your clothes with the scent of the green, clean, airy outdoors, so you're never far from the most energizing olfactory experience known to humankind. Gain liquid laundry detergent, with the cleansing power of Oxy Boost and the odor removal qualities of Febreze, gives you fantastic results wash after wash. Remove stubborn odors and stains from 2 weeks ago with the power of Oxy Boost, which is made up of extremely powerful pre-treaters, surfactants, and enzymes. Our second best laundry detergent is Molly's Suds Unscented Laundry Detergent Powder. Made with 4 stain-fighting natural ingredients safe for the planet and safe for your family. 1 tablespoon original laundry powder deep cleans and gently deodorizes 1 load of laundry. Most textiles, with the exception of silk and leather, are kind on sensitive skin and the environment. With sustainable cleaning chemicals like our original laundry powder, standard, commercial, and washing machines clean clothes the best. Only a few simple ingredients and little suds are used to create a safe detergent that launders clothes organically and effectively. With our concentrated laundry detergent free of artificial smells, you can get rid of stains for good. Always check for stains before laundering. Treat the fabric within 24 hours. Read and obey laundry care labels. Blot stains with a clean napkin or towel. Rinse from the inside out. Make a paste with the laundry powder. Use the appropriate water temperature, and then launder as usual. Mother Earth, our family, and your family. Made in the United States using plant and earth-based components that are peanut-free, vegan, and cruelty-free, leave no residue, and rinse clean. Septic and gray water systems are safe, and the soil has been tested. Unscented or gently scented options are available to keep your clothes smelling fresh. For cleaning power with compassion, it is safe for all mothers, babies, adults, skin sensitivities, and the environment. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is Gain Flings Laundry Detergent Soap. The lightweight plastic container was simple to use and lift. Increase your flings. Gain laundry detergent packs contain 50% more smell than Gain liquid laundry detergent. They give you nothing but excellent, clean, amazing smelling laundry thanks to the stain-fighting power of Oxy and Febreze. Because Gain Flings, use with any laundry setup. Packs are heat compatible and dissolve in both hot and cold water. Gain's energizing original scent fills your garments with the fragrance of the green, clean, breezy outdoors, so you're never far from the most revitalizing scent experience known to humankind. When it came to stain removal, like many of the detergents we tested, there was a noticeable change, but the stains were still visible, so these pods won't completely replace your favorite stain remover. However, our tester confirmed that the whites came out brighter and the towel felt fluffier after a standard wash. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best laundry detergent list is Tide Pods Laundry Detergent Soap. Tide Pods washing detergent packs are extremely convenient. Simply drop in, pack and go. No measuring, no spilling, just toss one in your washing and you're done. Tide Pods are extremely concentrated laundry detergent. Face it, the world may be a filthy place. Coffee mugs are jostled, flower beds are weeded, and dinner plates are slid inside. In a world where common stains might appear at any time, you need a clean that can withstand 100% of them. Tide 3-in-1 Pod Spring Meadow is required. Tide 3-in-1 Pods provide you the Tide detergent clean you need with the convenience of drop in and done by blending strong detergents, effective spot removers, and color protectors into one easy laundry pack. Along with the exhilarating, refreshing aroma of Spring Meadow. But there's more good news. Tide 3-in-1 Pods are intended to dissolve even in cold water and operate in any machine, whether you generally use heat detergent or not. Tide 3-in-1 Pods are intended to dissolve even in cold water and operate in any machine, whether you generally use heat detergent or not. Simply insert a Tide Pods in the drum of the washing machine before adding garments, and you're ready to go. This is beneficial not just to your sensation of cleanliness, but also to your energy bill. That means it's also excellent for the environment and your wallet. Tide Laundry Detergent Pods provide the clean of Tide Laundry Detergent with the convenience and confidence of Tide Laundry Detergent in every load, every time, for every household. Our last pick is all liquid laundry detergent. This concentrated recipe provides 2x more cleaning power in every drop than our basic all-free and clear detergent, allowing you to use less while being gentle on skin. Unscented, fragrance-free, and free of any perfumes and dyes. 182.5-ounce bottle of all-free clear 2x concentrated liquid laundry detergent is included, which is enough for 110 standard loads of washing. All-free clear ultra-concentrated bio-based detergent is a plant-based detergent that is tough on stains but kind on skin. This package contains 182.5-ounce bottle of all-free clear fragrance-free concentrated laundry detergent, sufficient for 110 loads. Safety and efficacy are critical for persons with sensitive skin. All's liquid detergent expertly fulfills the bill. It's free of colors and scents, and dermatologists, pediatricians, and allergists suggest it. This is why it was named best for sensitive skin. And, based on our experience, you can be confident that it will remove those tough stains and odors. The detergent is quite effective at removing stains. Although it is fragrance-free, it leaves a very subtle and light clean scent on the fabrics. With the exception of the white shirt, our tester reported the remainder of the garments were soft and malleable, and the towel was fluffy as well.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!